In today's video, I'm going to teach you, can ChatGPT generate Python code? The short answer is yes, and the key is to give clear context so it knows exactly what you want. Think of it like explaining a task to a helpful teammate. The more details you provide, the better the result. Let's start simple. If you ask for a sample Python script without much direction, ChatGPT will usually provide a basic example to demonstrate how it can help. For instance, you might say something like, create a simple Python script that prints a greeting and loops through a short list. With that context, it can return a straightforward script and usually include comments that explain what each part does. This is a quick way to get a feel for how ChatGPT structures code and to confirm you're on the right track. Now, let's try something more specific. A calculator. Instead of just saying, make a calculator, give it the purpose and constraints. You could say, write a Python calculator that can add, subtract, multiply, and divide. It should prompt the user for two numbers and an operator, handle invalid input gracefully, and show clear output. That extra context helps ChatGPT generate code that matches your intent, including input handling and readable results. Being more specific leads to more accurate code. If you have preferences, include them. For example, mention whether you want functions for each operation, a loop to allow multiple calculations, or comments explaining each step. If you're targeting a particular Python version or style, say so. If you care about user experience, ask for friendly prompts and clear error messages. All of these details act like guardrails that guide the output toward what you actually need. If the first draft isn't perfect, refine your request. Point out what to change, like, please add input validation, or refactor this into functions with docstrings, or make sure division handles 0 safely. Iterating with precise feedback is part of the same step of giving context. You're simply sharpening the instructions so the code improves with each revision. To recap, yes, ChatGPT can generate Python code. Start by describing the goal, provide enough context to shape the solution, and remember that specificity improves accuracy. Try it with a simple sample script, then move to a calculator with clear requirements. You'll see how quickly well-structured, readable code comes together when your prompts are detailed and intentional.